Welcome to my Blender quick tutorials. Today I will show you how to make these cool looking letters quickly without all the extra steps. Let's get into it. First, let's delete the cube and the light. Choose the camera. Then press N, go to transform. Set the camera location x-axis to 0, then the y to 0, and the z-axis to 5, and the rotation all to 0. Then go ahead and add a text. Go to the text properties and change the font to whatever you like. I'm going to choose the first one here. Looks decent enough. Now you can copy your text by pressing Shift-D. Go to the font settings and change the fill mode to none. Then click the geometry tab and make the depth to 0.01. Actually, that's quite thick. Let's change it to 0.005. And now the outer edge looks like this. Let's go to the material properties, make a new one, and then choose emission. Let's go blue. Let's change this to material preview so we can see the color. Then choose the inner text and let's give that emission as well. And let's put the strength to 5. And the blue outer edge strength to 20. Then change the world color to black. Now go to render properties and click bloom. That's quite strong. Let's change the white strength to 1 or 2, 1.5. And of course, you can choose whatever color you want. Now let's go to the bloom settings and you can tweak these to whatever suits your needs. Yeah, that's it. Let's put the text a little bit bigger here on the camera and render it. Hit that like if this helped you and subscribe for more tutorials, background videos and clock videos.